Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name, Ijan Jainuddin, class 2B. Here I will show the tema fulfillment of activity needs. Nursing specialist group gerontic nursing. Title, the relationship between characteristics of elderly and fulfilling physical activity need of the elderly in Tologomas, Village, Malang City. Research purpose. This study aims to determine the relationship between the characteristics of the elderly and the fulfillment of the physical activity need of the elderly. Next research question. How in the relationship between the characteristics of the elderly and the fulfillment of the physical activity need of the elderly in the city of Malang. Data, subject, activity need, subject, elderly in Tologomas, Village, Malang City. Method, research, design, data collecting, text, equate. The design in this study and orthogonal analysis using a cross-section approach. Data collecting technique, set and interview and questionnaire. Result, there is a relationship between the characteristics of the elderly with fulfillment of physical activity needs. The characteristic of the elderly in Tologomas, Village, Malang City for the G category of R category as elderly, again between 60 to 17 for. First of the R family married, most of them graduate for elementary school and work as entrepreneurs. Meeting the physical activity need of the elderly in fulfilled indefinitely. Interesting page 1. Purnama 2009 stated that the characteristic of the elderly include gender where the family elderly is more dominant than the male elderly. 2. Characteristic based on the where the age of the elderly who are more than 70 years has an impact of their lack of ability to fulfill and daily activity and characteristic based on education where after education will be better able to meet the need of daily activity of the elderly. 3. By having a wealth of knowledge, the elderly will think again with curiosity and standing will without any movement of physical activity. Putri 2011 in her research referred that independent in going area in the elderly can be influenced by the level of education. Sorry if 3 is an error. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.